guys to another episode of Trains Out. Today we are at Wimbledon on the South Western mainline. This is the 10:43 South Western Railway service to Richmond. Formed a 455-874. The train you saw in the clip before was the 10:41 pass from Alton. So in this video you'll be seeing trams for TfL, that one's on to Beckenham Junction 2548, and you'll also see services from South Western Railway and London Underground. So yeah, let's see what else turns up here at Wimbledon. Passing now is a pair of 455s for the service to London Waterloo on the 10:45 service. On the rear is 455-870. Hopefully looking forward to seeing a 451-11 today, as I haven't seen it yet, in the new South Western Railway livery. Coming through now is I'm not quite sure what it is yet. We should have a tone though, as there's Network Rail workers up the line. We had a Mega 2 tone as I turned up from a pair of 450s. This is a pair of 444s in the service to Bournemouth and Weymouth. 444-021 and 444-041 on the service to Bournemouth and Weymouth. Have another passing service. Looks like another pair of 450s. 450-011 and 450-107 on the service from Portsmouth Harbour, as we have a 455, well, a pair of 455s arriving in on platform 4. And District Line service also leaving. That's 455-561. Sorry about the shaky camera, I've got to have it like in between the little things in the poles. Arriving in now on platform 8 is the 10:49 South Western Railway service to Guildford. Formed of 455-718. This is going via Surbiton. Arriving in now is a District Line service from Tower Hill. As also we have a 455 arriving. We should also have the 10:52 South Western Railway service to Hampton Court, also arriving on platform 8. And we have a passing service. Here we have a single 444 on the service to Portsmouth Harbour. Oh no, this is service to Port. It's 444-009 on the service to Port, not Portsmouth Harbour. Arriving in now is the 10:52 South Western Railway service to Hampton Court, formed of a class 455. 455-734. And we also have a 455 passing over there also. That is 455-854. passing service. I haven't got any idea where it's going. Formed of a pair of 450s. $450,099 and $450,039 on the service to Basingstoke. Nice two-turn at the end there. The tram 2538 is just terminated into Wimbledon. Passing through now are there looks to be 3 sets of 159s. The service from Exeter St David's. 158883. Arriving in now is 700 010 on the service from St Albans City. For Thameslink. On the service to Sutton. Amazing two-tone there from the service from Portsmouth Harbour. And the tram to Elmer's End is departing platform 10B. 455.60 and 450.114. District line service on the service to Edgware Road, and we have a pair, well, 1456 and 1455. Oh, 2 455s and a 456. 455. 863 and 455 789. I didn't get the 456 at the front as the district line service curves around the corner. We have a triple 450 passing through now. 450 110. 450 559. And 450.031 on the service to Portsmouth Harbour. Arriving in now is the 1112 South Western Railway service to Richmond, formed of 2 455s. We also have a passing service.
6. The approaching train is not scheduled to stop at this station.
For 039 and 042 on the service from Weymouth and Bournemouth. Now we have a district line service departing, also on the service to Barking. $456.005 arriving in now on the service to London Waterloo. That's 455.722 on the service to London Waterloo.
Is not scheduled to stop at this station.
$450.118 and $450.116 and $455.63. 455871, and this is where I'll be ending my video here at Wimbledon. If you like, then please like and subscribe and comment down below on any suggestions and station recommendations for the future. So thanks for watching and enjoy.